Hi, welcome back to Multiplay 2012 in Telford. I'm joined by Rachel from Catz. Rachel, it's great to have you on the show. Catz is a company that's known for making peripherals. You've been doing that for quite some time, but what we're looking at here is Damage Inc. It's one of your first major gaming titles. So tell us a bit about it.
Okay, well, Damage Inc. Is due to launch next week. Like you say, it's one of our first major titles. We've worked probably over the last year. We acquired studios over in the US and they've been working over there developing the game. The game is based on World War II. We've been in touch with a lot of US veterans to try and get it as true to life as possible. For example, the first fight scene, as you see here, you take off in Pearl Harbor and then it takes you along the true timeline of World War II with you obviously as the US fighter pilot. There's over 20 missions. You can play in single mode or in multi-mode, but yeah, the essence of it is it's a World War II combat game.
Okay, we've had a go. It's a lot of fun. Now, do you think being a hardware manufacturer, having so much knowledge of peripherals, gives you an advantage in knowing what the gamer wants from the software?
Oh, for sure, yeah. I mean, we obviously take our audience quite seriously. You know, we do a lot of forums. We take their feedback on most of our peripherals that we release, and for that very reason, as well as releasing the software as a single software SKU, we're also releasing it as a collector's edition here, so it comes with the stick to give the consumer the actual true kind of essence of the game. I mean, you can use it on a pad if you prefer to use a pad, but being as it's a flight game, you know, we're mentioning the flight stick, and it's one of the areas that we're known for is our flight sim and our combat background.
Okay, so you've got the Xbox 360 edition here. Which other platforms is this going to be available on?
Multi-platform, so initially it's being released on Xbox.
That's next week?
Next week, yeah, 28th of August. Then it will also be released on PS3 and PC as well. There's also downloadable content, so it's available at the moment on pre-order, Amazon and Game in the UK, and there's also you get a DLC plane if you pre-order.
Okay, now this stick obviously is an Xbox peripheral.
Yes.
Are you going to do the same devices for the PC as well?
Yes, for the PC and for the PS3 as well. Yeah,
great.
So there'll be 3.
Okay, are we going to see more titles further down the road?
Hopefully, yes. Yeah. I mean, it's early days for us. Obviously, like you say, this is our first major game launch, but fingers crossed, all being well, then yeah, it's the first of many.
Great. Okay, Rachel, well, best of luck. That's Damage Inc. on Xbox 360. It'll be available to buy in stores next week.